In mold making and complex 3D machining, speed, accuracy, and stability are the key factors that define a manufacturer's production capability. The heavy-duty 5-axis CNC machining center with automatic tool changer, supplied by QUOC is designed to fully meet these demanding requirements for professional manufacturers serving both domestic and international markets. With a flexible 5-axis CNC system, the machine enables precise machining of curved surfaces in complex geometries in a single setup, significantly reducing errors, shortening machining time, and improving overall product quality from the very first run. The powerful 12-kilowatt spindle motor delivers strong cutting performance, deep material removal, and stable operation even under continuous high-load machining. Whether processing molds, chair seats, or complex chair backs, the machine ensures high precision and excellent surface finish. An automatic tool changing system with 8 tool positions allows fast and accurate tool changes, minimizing machine downtime, increasing productivity, and optimizing manufacturing costs. The standard working table size is 1200 by 1200 millimeters, featuring 2 independent tables for flexible operation. An optional single table size of 2500 by 1200 millimeters is also available, making the machine suitable for large-scale mold and component machining. Built with a heavy-duty machine frame, advanced control system, and high structural rigidity, the machine guarantees fast machining speed, precise motion control, and long-term durability in industrial production environments. The heavy-duty 5-axis CNC with automatic tool changer supplied by QUOC is not just a machining machine, but a strategic investment solution that helps manufacturers upgrade production capability, shorten return on investment time, and build a sustainable competitive advantage in the global market. Contact QUOC today for detailed consultation and the most suitable machine configuration for your business.